To your health, let's be healthy. And you should toast loudly, say long, say vodka and vodka, not like this or wine and wine. What about the coffee? The snow is falling, the black eyes of autumn shine with light. Will it turn out that we are going to make a video now, and our company is about who is building where, who is working where, and that we have a great class to teach students. These 7 fine young men will act as students. Treating the warehouse. Max got into position. Max is on the move. M, warehouse in 2. Repeating the maneuver in the warehouse. This is your Denisovich scores. Must. All off, all free, all off. That's it. There you will wait for us now, shashlik food. In general, all go to the back, said meat will be fed to me, so I can. What? Guys engaged in flanking, wanted sales, cost sneaker, installer. Yes, plumber is a plumber, and plumber is a plumbing fixture. I am the head of the installations department of the project stealth coordinator, and now I am working with solar panels. Do you have a service function panel? Work on the warehouse helper character, and I'll be right back. I'm making time, I'm riding. We're riding around, I don't command you, you see, just like that. We are not stokers, we are not carpenters, but there are no bitter regrets. Yes, run all, yes, surname, sweetheart. You will not look here, guys. Who is there behind here? Forward, stand up, please. All get in the center forward. Lena 321 prepared. Yes, wait, oh. People. And now the robot dance exam. He said the most important thing. Battery. Enter. Long time in America. Or plus 4 months. Will be already in the company. Plus 3 years working. Oh, very long time. 4 months, 4 months, 4 months. Yes, I am this straight. It's a straight term. 2 almost and a half years. I'm on super help to leave. And already 5 months, 4 years, 4 years, more than 3 years, 1.5 years. Here I since August month, looks like a Kazakh. Yes, I am a Kazakh. Creation I live and love. I am my homeland hell Altai, and so the Caspian Sea is all my purification. In Kazakhstan provider. But Sultan Al-Rasheed is obliged to jazz Sasajan Paski. Kazakhstan. Yeah. The word fart is off. Dancing. Girl of paradise, dance while young dance while young dance while young. My girl is dancing, saying. Yeah. What is the name of the company? What is the name of the company? Sergey. Aha, office is such a first. It's an endeavor workflux, it's a lot of things. It's part of my life. Plus, it's my life the best company in the world, and other companies say the same or not. I used to work for the railroad. Collective humor. The office is a great company that gives you the opportunity to develop off. I saw an opportunity to earn above average wages. This is very good job prospects and like a family everything. Like people Google, well, and this one is a little bit better than when, whatever. Yes, a little bit better. And this one has a paid meal. Trapala is not a competitive buffet at all. I like the atmosphere. Friendly, stress-free, free nonprofit team. The most important team because I have worked previous several team firms. No work of him, I have seen many works, and the quality is not fade. They are about the same as the dinosaurs. There is this part of my life because I love what I do. I am always eager to come and drink every day. For me, it is an experiment of my ideas. I can realize them here and myself in full potential. To let go and achieve, I get high from. Yes, it's good here. I like the staff here. Good guys. Everyone is generally good. The guys all teach, help as much as they can. Just good people, very nice, smart, beautiful, all talented. Yes, the team. So look how cool everyone is. The team here is just probably better than in the States on Planet Crocodile. The team is friendly. Well, and what likes, what teaches, Postpone better invests in the education of its employees by education itself. I started this company as an assistant, and where you started with the holter, of course. I learned everything here. I traveled 222 or 3 weeks as a student. I just watched. And then I slowly started to put it together. You know, I have a very good chance of a career move. You've got people who were in character. I know all of his almost got his say. Palaev. Andy. Science. Malinka is a very wonderful supervisor. This is Stanislav, the class teacher. Great, I'm glad you knew. That sounds like high school cool. It was you who said that the leader of the Yes immediately told the rest. Yes, we are trying to have a friendly atmosphere, a kindred team atmosphere, of course, yes. Those under 75 sat on the floor for the price of 7 years. Everyone on the team is about to be filmed by a copter. Yes, we have a very kind. She has become Pugacheva with reformed Galkin, yes. Kirkorov stayed in Russia, be it or not. Do something. To be or not to be. There will be no targets. Ote line will be, do something, be or not be, be or else. I'm not happy, write it down, I didn't get a lily provide, everyone just ran in and took it. The company is a fine company. I invite everyone in the audience. I won't make a small announcement and bring in small contests. We'll picture where took home. Walks the whole neighborhood, walks the whole school. The party will be gold, arrested, please. Everyone all stand up, choose a couple. We all chose a couple, guys. One of you in your couple should be number one now. Hand it out to number one, a piece of paper and a leaflet. One looks at the TV, the other looks at his partner. That is, one with his back to the TV, the other on the TV is the contest, is that I will show a picture to number one. And number two, someone with his back to the TV will write down what is depicted from the words. On the TV went one picture, only evil crane gantry red letters cost it all from edge to edge. Let's just talk about it. It was just practice. You guys don't think I'm just for real? Here are the children's tasks I give. Now it should be the other way around. The guys got ready, yes. Figure number 2 got ready. Let's go 321. On the table with the control crane, he has a crosshead winch. To put Roo, that it stands on wheels, well, there sits the crane operator on. So we collect, so the results all have to be signed, right? This contest has been seen many times on Instagram. I need volunteers to be a ruler now. Why, I will show the movement at the beginning of this line. The next person should show this movement to the other person behind them, and the movement should reach the end. And then the last person in the line will show one person the original. What was in the beginning, I will show one the rest of the color novel report. I sold him 2 times, he only turns to me once. I'm showing him a movement like where to go, like cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. All right, let's go. Me too. Kissing the turning of the west. It's online, only rock is a conspiracy. Good job showing it. Great, so I'm showing the original. It was perfect that you don't need to be divided into 8 people. You need to choose the number 1 person in your circle. All it is called person number 1 must for 30 seconds to tell about himself, and the next person will tell about one person, about 2 and 3. So at the start, attention march. I'm my wife, live in a cabin, everything is cool. Realia Staller here 3 years. I have a strong in Armenia, I have 2 children. I get high San Jose, so all times. And with Armenia, 17 children. Family around the world, 50 years old. In the company of no less than a flow of toilet and booze, that and sick children around the world. 2 children. Well, there are 3 years in Armenia. She is also normal, yes, wife in Armenia, he here himself opens from. He lives in an apartment, us, introduced yesterday, divorced yesterday, so likes to steal bikes. There is a cab, Zhenya divorced yesterday, there are children remembered, here I am divorced too, fuck all awesome, and this is Vladimir, he works, the company site manager already 2 already, baggage of 16 children. My name is Tatiana, my job is now gone, this is Natalia. I'm Tanya. This is Svetlana, to work with the company in the warehouse, likes cool cars. As it turns out, rich men she likes to draw and license plates. Took Bashkortostan, Mordovian Asar of Kazakhstani district. Tumbai village. I love vacationing in Miami naked swimming. Yes, my naked swimming. Wife, daughter, divorced, fucked up. It's important, it's fucking divorced. Excuse me, please. Shurin has 3 children, and 2 children himself is getting high here. Uncle Sarah Flame likes to clean toilets the longest make a day. Tea room. I am married with no children to give birth to. Sport and alcohol make you proud. Harper doing nothing. Thank you, Valia. Next, Stas has 2 dogs and uses people. Stop, Miami flying stays. Here. Slava the electrician is fond of fishing. As must be named. I have another contest. It is extremely hard to do. Yes, it is, but it is the best. He's actually the best. Now guys, go back to the groups you were in. Choose a partner, please. Now take your partner. Then you don't please get ahead of things? Take him, please. By the shoulders. Started now. Assignment. Number 1 starts telling number 2 the following. What do I suggest you go fishing? I suggest you buy a Tesla. I suggest you kiss your wife. I suggest you call your parents. Let's go. Give her a whole minute. Of course, I expect. I suggest you turn to your right. Oh. For offers itself. Relax more. I suggest you kill the Black Widow as a spider and say the following. I love the fact that you wear a cool shirt. I love about you that you have a great hairstyle. I say I love about you that you smell of oil. I don't, you hairstyle, you smell good. Just because you have cool shoes. I love you for being a skydiver. You had a YouTube channel and did a YouTube channel recording videos of coming every day. You have to weather. So junior. I like everything. Now let's go to the courtyard and continue eating. Well done, everyone. Yo. Va.